nothing else. Preaching and geeking, I kinda think that I'm Malcolm X. MDMA on my juice, jaws tired of through. Now I'm sweating cause the bitches they perspire me too. Are you judging me now? You gon' fuck with me now? Miscarried my first child, they finna come out. Fuck your therapy route, where the syrup and loud. Blue 30 come around, there's smile. Opiated to show up later with more elation. All my bitches say take it easy, enjoy the paper.
Hi guys, so actually I just woke up. Yes, my lips are pink and I just woke up. I had a lip mask on my mouth that leaves my mouth pink. But anyways, yeah, good morning guys. Today is Tuesday. I have class today, so I'm gonna get ready for that. Probably do a video. I don't know yet. So yeah, I'm really hating the school. I don't want to go to school, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So anyways, guys, talk to you later. Go get ready. A little later, but I'll go get something to eat. We'll try to. Y'all know I do eat breakfast early. So yeah, I'm gonna try and get something to eat and then start getting ready for school or read before I go to school. I don't know yet. So it's hella hot already and the day just started, yo. Later guys.
Hi guys, so I'm ready. Just got ready to go to school and stuff. So I'm gonna head out now. That my face. I did a video. Don't know how it turned out yet, so I don't know if I will post it. So yeah.
Sky blue. That. My ear all wet, yo. Hi.
She was this. She was the football. She's a go on. That go extra tip. That narrow from.
Okay guys, so as you saw, I was on my way to school, stopped a few places with my friend Chantel. Yeah, I look hella already now. I'm home now. I had seminar. I probably put a little clip in it where we were singing our seminar song. But anyways, yeah, so I'm home now with the Rugrats. And yeah, I took off my wig, so I don't want to show you guys my head because it don't look too nice. I hella oily. I don't look that oily in person though, but anyways, my brows complete. Anyways, yeah, so I'm going to have a bath and I'm going to shower. And yeah, I think that's it for tonight. So later. Hi guys, so I'm on my way to the MUA Esentials show. I'm at the bus stop waiting. Kinda feel sick and stuff, but gonna go and support my girl Shamika. Yeah, so this is my face for today.
special because I didn't have enough time because I woke up late. This is what I have on. Morning. Some bear. With Shamika, she don't want to show her face it. I'm about to do her face and stuff. See. Hi, so this is our table, and this is Trey Chic. Say hi. Trey Chic, you can find her on Instagram. She sells jewelry and clothing. Say hi again. And here is Rena's setup. We'll be doing makeup today and stuff. Yeah. Hi guys. So look who I met. Like in real life. In real life. Isn't she pretty though? She's making you blush. Like look at her. I couldn't believe that she's this tall. You have to send me the clip. Yeah, she's tiny. She's tiny. Oh my gosh. Hi guys. We call her Barbie.
Chance.